Worked example 1, folks. Worked example 1. In an IQ test, Aiden, in an IQ test, the mean is 100. The standard deviation is 15. Dale's test results give an IQ of 130. Calculate this as a Z-score. So, you need 3 bits of information, but the first thing you need is to write down the... Cool, what's the formula? Guys? Equals, yep. Yep. Excellent. Hannah, what do we do next? Excellent. What do we know? X equals 130. What's the mean equal? Cool. And what's the standard deviation? Standard deviation is 15. Now what do we do? Substitute in. You realise that they didn't actually leave space. I deleted the answers so that you had to write the stuff down because I gave you booklets. Otherwise, you can write the whole thing in your books. You do like writing stuff down? You're getting more? Yeah. Yeah, no, definitely. That's why these booklets are available for you guys. But if you feel that you need to write down the notes, then that's great. Yep, answer is 2. So, what does that mean? You have a Z-score of 2. Okay? What that means, Surly, what that means is that Dale's IQ result was 2 standard deviations above the mean. Okay? What was 1 standard deviation?
So he's smart.
Well, he is 2 steps above average. Okay, the average was 100, which was the mean, and his Z-score is 2. So he's 2 steps above. No, his IQ was 130. What was 1 standard deviation? No, that was the mean. In the question it says 15. So he is 2 of those above the mean. He's 30 above the mean, that's correct. And the mean was 100. What if I said you were 1 standard deviation below the mean? What would your IQ be? You didn't for this particular one, but you don't normally get whole numbers. 2 seconds. What if I said you were 1 standard deviation below the mean? What would your IQ be? Have a look at what the mean is. 1 standard deviation below the mean. So the mean is 100. Now go 1 standard deviation below it. 85. 1 standard deviation is how much? Okay. So if you had a Z-score of -1, then your result would have been 85. Caleb. Is it still doing the little cross? Okay, mode 1. Okay, Hannah, pass it here. And can you do shift 9, clear everything? All right, everyone happy with that?